How's everybody doing? Tinkering with Harleys. First, I want to thank everybody who's subscribed, and if you watch these videos and enjoy them, by all means, subscribe. Again, I apologize. I'm still fighting laryngitis, so I talk like I have gravel in my throat anyway, so. But the last couple of videos, we've been working on a triple tree. We did packing the bearings, and then we took the last video, we removed the bottom bearing and installed a new bottom bearing. And today we're going to install the triple trees. So we'll get right to it. Okay, here's a triple tree that we're going to be putting together and installing. And this is what we're going to be putting it on. This is the frame for the project bike. And if you can see under here, I've got new races on the bottom and new races on the top. So what we're going to do first, we're going to get some grease and we're going to put it on the race. So everything is nice and lubed up in there. And we're going to do the same thing on the top. Now, these frames come with the Zert fittings for grease right here. And I can tell you that the grease from that Zert fitting, when you lube it, never gets to that top bearing. It'll go to the bottom, but it'll never get to the top. It's kind of a crappy design. Should actually be a Zert fitting up here somewhere and one down here. There should be two separate, but that's just one of Harley's things. Okay, and now we're going to get some grease on the stem. And you want to get a nice coat on here. Like I said, that Zert fitting that's on the frame, the only thing it does is pump a lot of grease into the neck, and it never gets to the top bearing. So you do all this stuff prior. And that's where the bearing rides, right there where I'm rubbing. And now we're ready to put this together. Now this triple tree has an adjustment on it. That's the adjuster right there. And if you can see, it's beveled out and tapered. Not all Harley front ends have this. And on the underside of the triple tree, you can see right there, it's beveled. So that adjuster fits right in there like that. So now we'll start to get this thing together. Now we're going to get this triple tree up in here. So slide it up in there like that. Take the bearing, tapered side down, like that, and down on top. Take the dust cover, and then take the adjuster. And when you put the adjuster on, you make sure the tapered side is facing up. And you just wind this down. Let me use the other hand so you see what I'm doing. And we're not going to do the adjustment on this until I get the tubes and everything and handlebars on it. And that'll just make sure that it turns to each side equally and that it's nice and even and smooth. And like I said before, the big dust cover goes up on top. There we go. Now we'll take the top of the triple tree, because we're going to keep everything together, and put the top on like this. And then we'll put the nut on there. And like I said, we're just going to do this finger tight, because I'll do the adjustments afterwards. Oh, there you go. So that's going to do it for today. That's all there is to it, to putting a triple tree on. And like I said, I'll do the adjustments later on. So I hope this helps somebody. I want to thank everybody for watching. Until next time, everybody be safe out there.